Riddle alone with Dan Barry now. Here we go. What's he have in mind here?
I was going to say the same thing.
We're on the same page, big brother.
Oh, Tombstone.
Tombstone! Oh, man. You see the height he got on that.
That was gross. Do that to me, effort. That's what I said.
Oh, man. Riddle hanging with him. Oh, man.
They're just throwing hands all over the place.
The Beyond crowd appreciating. Oh, caught him with the roundhouse.
Watch it.
Oh,
Boss man.
the strike of Bill Carr to catch him right out of midair. Riddle is no small man.
Rear naked. Transition to armbar.
Wow. Oh, man. He might have to give it up here. Yes, and he does. There was no way out of that. Bill had no choice.
A good win by Chuck O'Neal and Matt Riddle. And the crowd hates it.
Here are your winners by submission, Blue Steel.
This is going to be a tough team to beat, Johnny.
Very tough. But that is all from us. Well, have a good night, everyone.